here at Event Tech Live in London, where we're both exhibiting, and the organizer is also using a few of our services.
Many people think that we do facial recognition, but we do facial analysis and we do ethical facial analysis. We don't operate with biometrical markers, and so we don't have any GDPR applying. This is the most important part that makes Zenus stand out.
We can track visitors, look at their face, analyze them, determine whether they're male, female, their age group, whether they're disconnected or whether they're truly, genuinely interested.
We do all of that using our AI device, the AI box, which is processing everything locally, which means privacy is not the issue, internet bandwidth is not an issue, and we're able to deploy very, very easily within 5 minutes.
What we usually want to track is not traffic or leads or conversations, for example. It's the way people are interacting and the level of emotion that you are connecting people to not only each other or sponsors or exhibitors to attendees, but also attendees to content. And you can do that all with the analysis that Zenus showcases within their dashboards.
It's live, it's actionable there and then, so their technology is looking at the audience and taking sentiment and understanding what speakers are working well, what content's resonating well, and they're doing that on a granular and individual attending basis. The reports and the information and the insight they're providing event organisers is really good to understand what content they might want to do more of in the future, and maybe what speakers they don't want to invite back. Some larger activations want this technology on their booth so that they can get granular insight into how effective that activation's been, what's worked well around the booth, what dwell time they've had, who's worked well as a staff member on the booth and things like that. But then as a show organiser, what it also gives us the ability to do is actually look at the footprint of the entire show and look who's activated well, who may need some help the following year, or have that fair conversation about why one company's done better than another and actually actionable data onto why that's actually happened.
In essence, we're getting the sort of data that we would never normally be able to get our hands on. And some of it corroborates other things that we're doing, and some of it's just brand new and gives us ideas and where we can explore. I think it's vital for live events. Sponsors would probably expect it, those kind of metrics. So we can get away from this kind of hit and hope way of working with live events into something that's more real, that people can actually make use of, and extend sponsorships and activations way beyond the event.